Curious about CNC turning? Well, it's like this. You've got a tool that doesn't move much, but it cuts while the workpiece spins. It shapes the material into what you need. Could be cylindrical, conical or spherical. And guess what? It's all controlled by computer software, making sure each part comes out precise and consistent. Wondering how CNC turning stacks up against other processes like milling and drilling? Here's the deal, turning versus milling. When you're turning, the workpiece spins while the tool stays put, cutting as it moves. But in milling, it's the opposite. The tool spins and moves around the workpiece to carve out material. What you're seeing now is the CNC milling process. You can see that the tool is rotating while the workpiece remains stationary. Kisa Hardware Group, experts in manufacturing complex components for automotive, industrial and more. With cutting-edge equipment and a dedicated team, we deliver top-quality rapid prototyping and low-volume manufacturing services. From CNC machines to 3D printers and precision instruments, we bring your ideas to life swiftly and